Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the best article classification using machine learning. So let's open notebook, Python-m notebook. So it will open the Jupyter notebook and then we'll open the convert data to PNG images and open the notepad. So let's write first set of command is for converting your digicom dataset files into PNG. Okay, so let's open the dataset folder. This will be the images. These all are images. Let's open the other one. These are the different images of that particular dataset folder. Okay, this is the Jupyter notebook, and let's go to second point. The second set of commands is for detection on images. Okay, so this will be the detection on images. This is the image model code. Okay, it will generate the image and it will give the benign and malignant. I'm giving a single image and it predicts is benign or malignant. Okay, so user have to give the input image and the model will classify that it is belong to benign or malignant class. Okay, there are two type of models. The first one will be only image prediction. The second one will be image plus heat map prediction. Okay, so that can be run from third set of commands. Okay, this is a combination of image and heat map model. You can see it will generate heat map image. To run all the commands, first you have to set up all the models and files. Okay, so let's set up all the models and file. So this will be the codes. That can be done with these two cell. Okay, script. Files. To set up you need to just run those files. So just double click on the run and it will crop mammograms then extract centers, generate heat maps. Now generating the heat maps. There are 4 stages of process and can take long, so I'm stopping it. So let's close it because it will take much more time, and just click on the run single crop mammograms. Extract centers, generate heat maps. So let's close it. And to do predictions, other way is you pass command in the terminal. Okay, so you can directly run through those script. Let's open the terminal and just paste that particular command. So this type of project we are developing related to Python domain, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Django, Java, Android. And if you're searching a type of project, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. Or if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Okay, and you can visit our website www.techieprojects.com, which you can see on the screen. So it predicts the benign 0.0419 and the malignant 0.008045. Okay, so this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new to the subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.